What is good, YouTube? So today I'm going to be talking about GameStop and AMC stock and why I believe these two stocks are about to go wild over the next couple of days. But before I do get into why I believe that, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I do update you guys on AMC and GameStop stock every single day. So today GameStop was red, down 1% at $28.75, and the volume did die down today. It was a pretty boring day. We were just trading sideways. Right now we are working on the 7th green week. If GameStop could close above $29.06, it will be a 7th green week in a row. And as you guys see, I mean, this looks like just one giant bull flag. So I wouldn't be surprised if we stay around this range tomorrow and then next week we get a move higher, because I mean, this is just looking like a huge bull flag on the weekly chart, which is freaking insane. Another thing that people have been saying is this looks like one giant cup and handle. Now I know normally the cup has to be like around the same price, so around $29, but GameStop broke up to $32, but it still does look like a giant cup and handle, just a little bit tilted. But I mean, I could see it playing out like a cup and handle. That is for sure. I mean, there's so much pressure built up at $30, $31. It's already tested the $30 level like 4 or 5 different times. So if we could break past $32, we are going to see a god candle. Now, none of this is financial advice. I'm not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold, but I believe we will see a god candle if we do break that $32 level. As for AMC closed down red for a 5th straight day in a row. I did triple down on calls for AMC today while I was trading at 428. I just bought some more freaking $5 calls. Now it's too late. There's no going back. If it continues to drop, I am actually screwed. But if it bounces off of here, we're going to make a lot of money, guys. As you guys see, we had an inverted hammer candle on the daily. Not the best, but it's still a little inverted hammer candle right there, which is extremely bullish. This does normally pop up at the end of a downtrend, and normally after an inverted hammer candle, we see a green day. Now, you know, when I look at the chart, it really makes me pissed off at Adam Aaron. I did say overall, I mean, 50 million shares. If they raise money, then screw it, you know. But I mean, you can't make this up. As soon as AMC breaks out of this freaking triangle, just like GameStop did, they do the share offering. It was looking like it was about to explode to $10 once again, and then they do the share offering, just killing that run. In my opinion, they're just giving us a discount. The numbers for AMC have been crazy. We're gonna go over them right now in a bit, but for AMC, 19 million shares traded, so the volume has still been extremely high, you know, higher than normal, and we've just been continuing to go down. So we will see what happens tomorrow if we do make a bounce off this level. So the crypto that I talked about on my new channel called Mikey's Crypto is up almost 50% from when I made my video yesterday. So if you haven't subscribed to my crypto channel, make sure to go subscribe there. It's called Mikey's Crypto. If you're interested into investing into meme coins or any cryptocurrencies, that will be the channel for you guys. I'm gonna make a video right now for that channel right after this, but just look at the crypto, up 48% today. In the past week, it's up 200%, and in the past month, it's up almost 1,000%. I believe this is going to continue to run, and I personally have put in over $500 into this meme coin. Obviously, just a gamble, not financial advice, but if you want more information, go down and subscribe to my other channel. So Treehouse Brewing Co. has been tweeting like crazy, and today in the morning they said, haha, this was wild. So they commented under this video that was posted back on June 13th, and it's just a gorilla, you know, throwing the beer in the air. It goes down a little, then it just spawns on the moon, and then Roaring Kitty is just there. They clipped him from the stream that he did back on June 7th, I believe. So yeah, they just commented that this was wild. I believe Treehouse Brewing Co. is giving us a hint that something crazy is about to happen. They literally just posted Roaring Kitty. They have just been giving us a bunch of hints. Literally right now, a couple of minutes ago, they just made this post. They said lights on, and it's just a picture of the moon. I mean, you can't make this up. It really does look like Treehouse Brewing Co. possibly has some inside information to GameStop and GameStop stock. They have been making some pretty crazy tweets. This guy said, funny times for GME coming. So obviously, a week ago, Roaring Kitty posted for the first time in 3 months the Time You Cover magazine from 2006. Today, Donald Trump rang the bell for the New York Stock Exchange, and here's a picture of him doing it because Time picked him as Person of the Year. And it gets crazier because we can't forget what Ryan Cohen was doing before the election. He literally had tweeted Trump 665 times, I believe. This got 3 million views. It is clear that he wanted Trump to win for a reason, and I believe the reason was GameStop. That's just it. Look at what has happened to Tesla stock ever since Trump has won. Elon Musk was giving money to Trump. That's how bad he wanted him to win. And obviously it was for a reason. We've been seeing all these articles, you know, Elon Musk is now like the richest person in the world with 400 billion simply because Tesla stock has been going crazy. That is why he was giving all this money to Trump, because he just wanted him to win so he could become the richest person in the world. That is exactly why he wanted Trump to win. And I believe that is the same reason Ryan Cohen wanted Trump to win. I believe things are about to get crazy very soon, guys. As for AMC, this guy said, breaking news, the box office numbers this December month to date are the best ever in over 20 years. We are so back. So far right now, the month of December has outgrossed every single month dating back to 1988. It probably goes back in all of history. I don't freaking know. But for this list, it goes back to 1988, and it hasn't been like this since 1988. I mean, what the hell? Movies are back. AMC is trading near an all-time low. People think you're crazy until you're right. In my opinion, I believe AMC is a steal, and it will have an explosive move very soon. That's why I'm balls deep in calls, because it could really happen any day. This guy said AMC can't stop, won't stop, right? So the put to call ratio for AMC is 0.22. The put to call ratio shows the total numbers of disclosed open put option positions divided by the number of the open call options. Since puts are generally a bearish bet and calls are a bullish bet, put to call ratios greater than 1 indicate a bearish sentiment, and ratios less than 1 indicate a bullish sentiment. So right now it's at 0.22. That means it is extremely bullish right now. And I really do believe AMC is going to have an explosive move back across this trend line any day. It could happen any day, guys. And when it does happen, it is going to be an explosive move. You know, in the short term, we have all these bearish indicators, but on the weekly chart, we still have all these bullish indicators. And I don't see why AMC wouldn't be bullish right now when it's trading at all-time lows and the business is making the most money it's made in over 30 years. It really doesn't make sense. This guy said a potential for infinite losses will have short sellers doing whatever they need to do to avoid that. They're truly trapped in here with us. Soon they will run out of food and start to cannibalize each other. It may have already begun. So as you guys know, I mean, hedge funds are crapping their pants. They lost over $5 billion back in May when GameStop went to $80. And I believe this time they are going to lose even more money. Roaring Kitty literally gave him a warning, a chance to cover, because I believe he knows the storm is coming. I mean, just look at the chart. It looks like one giant bull flag on the weekly chart, which is insane. GameStop is definitely building up some pressure here at $30, and it's getting ready to explode. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did make it to the end of the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what the heck are you guys doing? Make sure to go down and subscribe. We also hit 100 subscribers on Mikey's Crypto, so thank you guys for everyone that went and subscribed. On that channel, I'm talking about meme coins that are up already over 50%, like Keith Gill. I really do believe that meme coin is going to squeeze even harder than AMC and GME. There's no such thing as halts for meme coins, so I do believe this meme coin will squeeze very hard, especially when Roaring Kitty comes back and starts making posts again. But I will keep you guys updated on what happens with AMC and GameStop stock, so make sure to stay tuned on my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on.